Okay, welcome to the video everyone. So I've been asked a couple of questions around how I stabilize my hand, how I keep my lines nice and smooth and straight. And the truth is I don't, but there are ways you can do it to help yourself get those smoother, straighter lines. And I'm going to show you now. So although I do have methods to do this, everyone's different, everyone has their preferences. And in VR it is very difficult to get straight lines and smooth lines because you're not getting the resistance that you would normally get. Your arms are in midair. There's no feedback there's haptic feedback, but there's no, you're not pressing against a canvas. You're not on a desk drawing, so it is a little bit difficult. But there are ways to do it, and there are ways built in the game, and there are physical ways that you can do it. So if I show you with this rigger brush here, when you're just doing it on your own, you can almost get some smooth lines, but it does get a bit difficult, and it depends if you're a shaker like me. Specifically if you've been painting for a while, your hand tends to cramp up, you get a bit tired, and the lines tend to get worse as you go on. Now if you press the B button once, you'll see it says hand stabilizer, press B to disable. So we've turned that on, so now we do have a hand stabilizer, which reduces the shake a little bit. So you can see that circle's much smoother than the one above. Now the problem with this, although it does help you, it also slows you down, and sometimes if you're trying to do natural movements, it can almost feel like you're fighting against the machine. But I think that does help a little bit to provide smoother lines. So that's one method you can do. Now if you want to do a straight line, if you hold down the B button, you get this ruler active. So you can use this ruler now to produce straight lines. Now make sure your paintbrush is on the side that you want to paint on, and then you get these straight lines. Now that ruler will stay there until we press the B button. So now we've got that straight line. We can also come and go horizontally, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You can put at whatever angle you want to do, and then just press the B button and it turns that off. So there you go. So those are two methods that are built into the game. And then also what I tend to do is I'll hold my hand. So rather than just, your arms getting tired, you'll see me in my videos and I'll hold my hand. And that'll reduce a little bit of the shake. So I do that quite often when I'm trying to really focus in and just get those smaller areas, and you don't want to go too far out. So that's one of the methods that I'll use. I'll go double-handed. There's nothing wrong with that. It helps you out. So like I said, those are the main methods that you can use. If you know any other methods that you use to get straight lines or to help improve the stability of your painting, then please let us know in the comments. It will really help people out. But those are my methods, so I hope that's helped some of you in achieving some of those smoother lines. So try out those methods, let me know how you get on, let me know if it helps, or if you still want some more advice, then please let me know. But thanks for watching. Take care.